Hey there, welcome back. This is Mazhar, son to proud and loving parents, fitness freak, interior architect by profession, turned affiliate marketer, and social media marketer. So, guys, welcome to my Apps Builder Pro review video. So, guys, just let's start our review video. But before starting the video, let me explain you what the software is about. It's actually a software that helps you to build applications in just 3 easy steps. Just let me quickly share you my screen. So make sure before we start the video, make sure you send me a friend request and join my Facebook community right through this link below over here. So guys, we are into the members area. So this is how the members area looks. And once you make a purchase payment, you will get this type of screen. So here is dashboard, my apps, create apps. I'll just run you through all this stuff in just a few minutes. But before that, let me show you my custom bonuses, which are exclusive only uh, through my link. Okay, so if you want to purchase, just click on the link right below in the description so that you get all my custom bonuses all for free. So let's start with my bonus page. So as you can see, this is a special bonus page. It comes down at 11:59 p.m. EST, Tuesday, October 20th. So make sure before the countdown hits zero, you make you make the purchase and get access to all my custom bonuses right below over here. So I've made a small description about what this product is all about and how does it work. So convert your website's visitors into mobile users and send push notifications directly on mobile, tablets and desktops in one click with over 95% open rate. Okay, so it's a great deal, and I've also shared a 5-minute video about what the product is actually about and how does it work. So make sure you watch this video before making a purchase or a payment, right? So what is Apps Builder Pro all about? You can just go through all these details. Apps Builder Pro's progressive web app maker eliminates the needs of any technical expertise to build progressive web apps, allowing you create amazing PWAs that deliver same experience like native apps. So you can just go through all these details, and I've also mentioned you how does it works. Using progressive app builder is easy as 1 2 3, like just in 3 easy steps. So enter the URL of your website, Shopify store or a blog, whatever you have, just enter the URL into the dashboard in the create app area, which I'll be showing you just in a few seconds. So just wait, upload the generated files on your website. Okay, and just your site is now converted into a progressive mobile apps. So guys, as you can see, like Pinterest, Uber, these days these are all progressive apps. They are using all progressive apps. Okay, they're not using some techie stuff. Okay, that's too hard to understand. Okay, so here are also some key benefits you may be interested in getting. So I've mentioned some updates over here. As you guys can see, make sure you go through all these things. Okay, and let me show you my bonuses now. These are exclusively my bonuses, customized by myself, and you won't get it anywhere else. Okay, so make sure you click on the link right below in the description and grab this opportunity. So my first bonus is instant content creator. Okay, this software will help you. It's a software for internet marketing. It will help you to create some great content for promoting your stuff, your product, your software, whatever stuff you are trying to sell, right? A bonus, and the value is like $397. It's all for free now if you purchase it through the link right below in the description. Okay, my second bonus is web conversion videos. So it's a video lessons about how to convert through web. Okay, so make sure you go through all these bonuses in detail. So its value is $797 again. My bonus number 3 is lead generation on demand. Okay, so it's priceless. Why? It's priceless because lead generation is the main thing. It's a like a main point in any sale, in any marketing agency, right? How to generate leads and get sales, right? So this bonus of mine will help you to generate some quality leads. So make sure you check it. My bonus number 4 is Sales Funnel Ninja YouTube edition. It's for YouTube, so make sure you check this as well. It's value of $267. And at the end, my bonus number 5 is traffic and SEO for your business. So it's also priceless, guys. So make sure you click on the link right below in the description and grab this bonus is all for free. So if you want to purchase this product, just click on any of these buttons right here, or the orangish buttons that will take you to the sales area, sales page. And once you click on this get instant access, you will have to make a payment first, and you will land up on a receipt like over here. Just let me show you. You will get, once you click on the JVZoo, go into your JVZoo account. On this right hand side, you will see looking for your purchases. Click on this button, and that will, and find for Apps Builder Pro, and you will see this thing. You will see this receipt right here. Click on this blue button right here, access affiliate products, okay, bonuses, and you will, all these bonuses you will get all for free directly into you, directly to you, right? So guys, let me just run you through the sales page in short time. So it's given in detail about what this product is about and how does it work. There are a few testimonials as well, so make sure you check these testimonials as well. So it's written over here, 3 simple steps for creating app under 5 minutes. It just takes you 5 minutes. It's that simple. Okay, now where all you can use this app. Okay, so because every business needs app these days, because no people go to websites and wait for pages to load. Okay, so apps is a like super quick thing, like anyone can use it anywhere through their mobile devices as well. So it is very helpful for e-commerce stores, retailers, saloon, tutors, fitness trainers, influencers, doctors, lawyers, restaurants, right? So it's a great software that will help you to generate your application in just 3 quick steps. So make sure you go through all these steps. Okay, there are a few more advanced features in this software as well. Like it doesn't need internet to access. Okay, it doesn't need internet to work, and it also has a WordPress plugin in it. It's all mentioned in this sales page. Let me just show you everything in this quick video so that you don't get confused later. Make sure you watch this video which I have shared over here in this sales page, because it shows you everything in detail, right? So what the product is about actually, and how does it work. So introducing Apps Builder Pro. Yeah, this video I've mentioned it in my bonus page as well, so make sure you check it. Yeah, these are some features. It you don't need to update it or every time. Like whenever the application gets updated, you need to go on Play Store and click on the all these things. Like I need like no headache. Like you just click on the application and it will get updated automatically. It's great for SEO, less data consumption. It doesn't consume a lot of data. Decrease bounce rates. Okay, decrease bounce rate is a great thing. Reliable and secure. All requests. Native app feel. GDPR compliant. QR code. You don't need to send anything. Like you get a QR code that you can share on social media or print materials, so people can simply scan the code and redirect to your install your PWA, like your application, right? It's that simple. As I said, it has a WordPress plugin, as Builder Pro WordPress plugin. Okay, and all this stuff over here. You can just go through the sales page thoroughly before making a decision, right? So let me show you now quickly. Now we are into the dashboard. On the left side, you can see my apps. Once you create all the apps, you will see all your apps in my apps. Okay, so create app, push notifications, whatever you get. Okay, then support bonuses. There will be some vendor bonuses as well for you, so that so once you make a payment, just check for your bonuses right over here. WordPress plugin and tutorial like how this application works. You will get a tutorial about that. Okay, so now let me show you quickly a small demo about this. So I've clicked on this create app thing. Okay, now it's asking me enter website URL. Okay, so for example, let me take URL of this site only. Okay, let me copy this, paste here. Just a second, guys. It's loading. Yeah, as you can see in the screen, apps builder. Now the page which you are seeing over here. Yeah, this page, this is the laptop version and this is the mobile version. Now you can see over here. Okay, the same page. Now once you click on get started, the first step is completed. Okay, now this is step 2. Name of the application, which name one you want to give for the application, the short name. Enter the description. The second step is choose file. Like you need to enter a file, right? Just as I mentioned over here. Yeah, upload a generated files on your website. Like you have to generate some files for your website, right? So choose this file from your laptop or PC. Start URL. This will be the URL, and once you press on this next, we'll get into the third step, right? What is the third step? Your site is now converted into your progressive mobile apps. That's it, guys. It's that simple. So make sure you check all these things, all the bonus pages, and go through all the sales page quickly and make a decision. And if you want to purchase it, click on any one of these buttons over here and click the link below in the description first. So once you click on the that link in the description, that will bring you to my bonus page. So make sure you check all my bonuses, and yeah, that's it from me. So make sure, guys, you check this all these bonuses, and my thanks for watching my review video. Until then, bye bye, take care, next time.